Take a look at these two curves. They represent two different traders, and only one of them ends up consistent over time. Now, most traders, they start by chasing high win rate strategies, and honestly, that makes sense. Winning often feels good. You get that dopamine drip. But under the surface, you're taking on way more risk than you realize. The losses don't happen often, but when they do, they're big. And they wipe out weeks of progress, sometimes more, and the result is a P&L that swings all over the place. It's volatile and unpredictable, and quite frankly, it's draining. You're not trading with conviction. You're just managing fear, adjusting stops, second-guessing every move, and trying to keep your head above water every time volatility spikes. It's kind of like building a house and putting out fires at the same time. Now I want you to compare that to this. This is a right skewed long tail distribution. This is what real edge looks like. We take small defined losses, occasional small wins, and then like clockwork, those long tail moves, they show up. And that, my friend, that is what moves the needle. But here's what really changes the game. We're not battling risk. Risk is already defined the moment we put the trade on. We manage profits, not panic. And that one shift, it turns chaos into consistency, and it takes anxiety totally off the table. And it gives you structure you can actually trust. Now, this isn't just theory. This is the same model we trade every day inside 0DTE. One setup per day, no clutter, just a repeatable system built for long-term growth. Now, I've taught this to hundreds of traders. Most of them came in with the same problems. Now they're not chasing the market anymore. They're letting it come to them. So if you're tired of trading on edge and you're ready to trade with real structure, then join us inside the 0DT Academy, where we will help you build a curve you can actually believe in.